The Eurocard standard may be an older standard, but it's still used in a lot of industrial and laboratory equipment today, and I'm going to show you a tool that makes troubleshooting it much easier. Hello, I'm John Leeman, the owner of Leeman Geophysical. Today I want to show you a product that may not seem that exciting, but has saved me hours and hours of time in all of your labs over the years. This is our Eurocard Extender. So this takes a standard 96-pin Eurocard, which is a printed circuit board that plugs into a rack, and it was a common standard in industrial systems in the 80s and 90s, and it's still used a fair amount today, including in many laboratory instruments. So the cards plug into the rack and it's hard to troubleshoot them. You can't get to them to probe voltages or see what's going on. This extender plugs into the rack and then the card plugs into the extender, putting it outside the rack where you can easily access it. Now, why do we make one of these? Surely these exist. Well, they do, but our extender offers a couple of unique advantages. First and foremost, it takes all 96 pins and breaks them out and passes them through. Many of the card adapters I see on the market only have the outer rows, not the center row populated. So this takes all those pins, it puts them on header where you can easily use little header connectors to connect for probing signals more permanently if you want. And it also has an area where you can label each signal. So if you're in a system where you have a unique pinout, you can make custom legends and know exactly what that pinout is. We use high quality Molex connectors as well as the glass fiber reinforced card holders out here to make sure that you have an easy time getting the card in and out of this card extender. So while it may not be the most exciting product we offer, it certainly saves me a lot of time and can save you a lot of time if you have this 96-pin DIN connector in your laboratory or factory. So be sure to check them out on the website today. And while you're there, don't forget to like and subscribe to make sure you stay tuned to all of our updates, sales, and free tutorials.